Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make a couple of different types of Thanksgiving arrangements since it is just around the corner, just over a week away. So I'm going to do my arrangement in a clear glass cube. I soaked and cut a piece of floral foam and put it in a Ziploc bag because I thought it would be fun to put some fresh cranberries in the cube. So we're gonna take my bag of cranberries I picked up at the store, and then I'm just gonna put them all the way around the container, and that way you won't be able to see the foam, and it'll just add a fun little aspect to your Thanksgiving centerpiece. And you can do it with other things. You can do it with orange slices or candy, like M&Ms or jelly beans, whatever you want. I like the color of the cranberries, and cranberries to me are very Thanksgiving. I'm just gonna shove them down there so that they're covering all the pieces of the foam. And the reason I put it inside of the Ziploc bag was because I didn't know how the cranberries react to water. I didn't test it out, so I figured I'll just keep them separate. And usually everyone has a Ziploc bag in their house, so it's easy and convenient to use that. You can also, as an alternative, use a couple layers of cellophane, probably even saran wrap. And now I'm just going to take my Ziploc bag and I am going to cut it so we don't see as much of it. And then I'll just fold it down. Cut it a little more, cut the part off, there we go. And now I'm going to take my leather leaf and I'm going to green the arrangement. Let's see. And I'm just gonna go all the way around because I don't like to see the foam, so I want to make sure it's all covered before I start sticking any of my flowers in. There we go. And then I also thought it might be fun to stick a candle in the center of it. So I purchased a little candle holder, and inside I actually put in some floral shore stick adhesive just to make sure the candle doesn't move around. And there we go. And then we stick that just in the middle of the arrangement. And then for this arrangement, I actually went to my Sam's Club and just picked up a pre-done bouquet, and it cost $15, so it was definitely a bargain. And so we'll do it without this time and see how it comes out. And with the roses, you always have to clean some of the outer petals, and then I take it and I cut it according to what I think will work with my container. And then you have to make sure it's definitely in the foam because that's how it drinks its water so that it lasts longer. And then you just have to remember to check the arrangement for water on a daily basis and add as needed. So this time I'm starting with these roses. Tucking them in, then I'm going to look for whatever my next large flower is. And it looks like I have some yellow chrysanthemums, and those I'll also cut and stick in. Let's see, I have 3 of those, so we'll just alternate the roses and the chrysanthemums in there. And then we also have some large bronze mums, but these I might actually save to make something else with. Then I'm going to take my orange carnations that are in this bouquet, cut those, and stick them in. And again, make sure they're in that foam. Now I am going to take my lily, and I'm actually going to cut the top off here so that I can stick it in 2 different spots. There we go. And I like to pull the pollen out of the lilies because otherwise they can stain everything. And you don't want to stain your tablecloth. And now I'm going to take a filler called Solidago. Cut that and stick it in. And now I have this other type of chrysanthemum, and those I'm going to just dot throughout to give it that fall feeling. Right there next to the candle. And I have more of these. And of course you can make it as full as you like or as airy as you like. Everyone likes something different. There we go. And this bouquet has some red miniature carnations. That'll also add some great color to the arrangement. Will go well with the cranberries. So do the roses, so that it all goes together. Let's see, I have some more over here. And just turn it around so you see any spots that you might be missing, so that you can fill those out. And then another type of little mum, little button mum. I'll blend that in with everything else. Let's turn it around again. also have this, which I'm not actually sure. I think it looks like celosia or something. We'll stick that in just because it looks cool. We'll break this up into little pieces so it's not all just stuck in one spot. I like to spread it all around. And then with this arrangement, I'm not actually going to put any wheat in just because of the candle. Wouldn't want it to catch on fire or anything. That would not make for a happy Thanksgiving. And then, but I am going to put a few of the lotus pods around the outside. So I'm going to take my bamboo skewer, stick it in the back of my lotus pod, and then stick it inside the arrangement, just towards the outside. Gonna put a couple of those in. Put one on the other side. And then I will stick a couple of the leaves around the outside. Nothing too close to the candle, just around the edges. And there we go. That is a nice little cube. And I still have leftover flowers, and you can put those in another little vase, decorate your house. So hope you liked this, and again, if you have any questions, then write them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them or do another video to demonstrate anything you might want to see. And just, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.